Ayaw mag-saging ko, Fernando.
Josa is, what's your name? Marvin is? Correct. Clap your hands. Josa. Marvin, like? Marvin, you like Barbie doll? I'm just kidding, okay? Ready? Studio players. Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Kamay sa dibdib. Mata sa langit. Langit, roll. Again, kung kabat ito ba kayo sa gitna, Carlo. Ready. Next song is Ipaglalaban ko Pedro Pindongo is go.
Panday.
Panday is correct. Clap your hands. Again, you like Barbie doll? Masinis eh.
Nagkawag eh.
Thank you.
Okay, next song. Kamay sa dibdib. Let's continue the game. We'll be right back sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz News. Sa pagbabalik ng Wawa Tiwi. Let's continue. Kamay sa dibdib. Mata sa langit. Langit road. Next song is
Bukas pa!
May bukas pa. Is How about children? How about Walt Disney movie? Are you watching Walt Disney Channel?
Yes!
Wow, very good. Again, I'm going to sing the Walt Disney movie, so again, you can guess what song, what movie is that song. Next song is Walt Disney, kamay sa dibdib. A whole new world, and you never kind of you. Aladdin is?
Correct.
Correct, love your hands. Studio players, Pilipinas, game ka na ba? We'll be right back sa pagbabalik ng Boy and... Let's play kamay sa dibdib. Next song is... Look at this stuff, isn't it? Or would you think my collection is complete?
Little Mermaid.
Again?
Little Mermaid.
Missy Mimid? Isa again.
Little Mermaid.
Again?
Little Mermaid.
Ayun it.
Little Mermaid or Meet